Hey, welcome back everybody to another Money Shot Monday with your boy Cash. For each and every first Monday of the month, for right now, we're gonna drop a new video. And guess what, guys? It's been 3 months in a row. Let's give a round of applause for a little bit of consistency. Well, on this video, I know you guys are tired of seeing all my Oahu and Hawaii stuff. And this is sadly my last one for right now until I can get back out there and make a visit. But this one has the golden light, it has the crashing waves, and another beautiful model. So let's go check it out. Hey, so welcome back, man. Like I said earlier, this is another Money Shot Monday, the July edition, where I take you behind the scenes with me on my shoots. This is going to wrap up my series that I had in Hawaii. I have footage from my first shoot in Texas that I can't wait to drop. You can see that coming in August. But if this is your first time coming and checking out my channel, please like and subscribe it and just stay tuned for more and more videos. I will try to constantly release content for you guys, where you can kind of see how my thought process works when I'm going to my shoots, my equipment and everything, and so forth and so on. So to talk about equipment, what do I use? Normally I'm geared up with my Canon R6, which I might be coming with a new camera soon. So just stand by with that. My Canon R6, my 24-70 2.8. I have my GoPro. I think I have the 12, I want to say, capturing my behind the scenes. I have my DJI RS3 Mini. And what else do I have? I think that's about it. I can try to keep a small footprint when I'm going to shoots, because most of my shoots are on location with the model, and I'm carrying my backpack, and I don't like to have to carry a lot of different items. Okay, so this shoot had a beautiful model. I believe she's based in California, named Duffy. We coordinated this shoot. We had kind of a concept in mind, but not really. We were just kind of gonna be spontaneous and show up. She brought several different outfits. So this was another one that I did not personally curate and pick out the outfit, but she pulled out this dress. Oh man, you guys see it. The colors and the tones of this dress matched the location that I had already picked out. It was like this elegance with this hardiness of the rocks and everything else. I think it just played so well with each other. So this was definitely probably one of my favorite looks to do on the beach, to have a model in a dress. Definitely giving goddess vibes. What do you guys think? So some of the big things when I'm shooting outside and there's a lot of natural elements is to utilize those elements for the composition of my pictures. And if you don't really know a lot about the composition of pictures, there's all these different rules, the rules of thirds and so forth and so on. But I try to use my natural elements that are around me to enhance the picture itself, to draw the viewer's eyes to my model, to my subject. So if you are a photographer and you are shooting outside, you are shooting somewhere where there's a lot of leading lines or just naturally organic things that you can use to enhance your photo, that's the first tip of the day. Go ahead and use it, try it out. So as you can see here, this is me showing Duffy the pose like I do with all my models. I think it's very important to not only tell your model, but also show them sometimes what you're trying to get them to do. And luckily, I didn't get splashed by waves this time. All right, so now this photo shoot, just like all of my other photo shoots, was all natural light. No reflector, no strobe, no anything. Like I said, normally I'm going to these shoots and I'm trying to keep a small footprint of the things that I have. So I don't like to carry a lot of extra equipment and modifiers and things like that. This shoot was probably around, I think probably 4:30, 5 o'clock. So we were getting a little softer light. enough light to create contrast, enough light to really accentuate her curves and give the effects that we wanted. Some of these pictures and some of the scenes are more backlit, some of them are more direct sunlight. But I do like to shoot around that time of the day. I know it's kind of taboo for most photographers to shoot in direct sunlight, but don't be afraid of it. Lean into it, keep practicing, embrace it, and I promise you, you'll get better at it. Hey, so thank you guys again for dropping by for another Money Shot Monday, each and every first Monday of the month. And hopefully we can just keep this thing rolling and rolling and rolling to where we are producing videos every Monday. Don't hold me to that. But for right now, the first Monday of every month. Here we go, Money Shot Mondays. Thank you for continuing to support me in my journey on getting in front of the camera and on YouTube and all this other craziness. And you can do that by liking, subscribing, commenting, sharing, all of those things. I definitely appreciate all the support. Thank you. I see you in August. Later.